Hi guys, this is Josephine Sharmila, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, RMK College of Engineering and Technology. In this lecture video, you can get an idea about the optical fiber structure and its applications. In optical communication, the transmission medium is an optical fiber. Optical fibers are used for transmitting more data over a long distance. Here, the data transmitted is obviously using light pulses. Optical communication medium is faster than any other medium. Optical fiber is made of glass or plastic. Also, optical fiber is flexible and transparent. As we know, a pipe can be used for making water to flow from one end to another. Optical fibers are used to transmit light from one end to another. With this idea, we can see the structure of optical fibers. What is an optical fiber and how it looks like? You may have seen different fibers in your day-to-day life. Fibers are illuminated by a multicolor LED, like the one as shown in decorative fibers. Another form of optical fiber which looks like a normal wire but it guides light. It is flexible and takes light all around the curve and it can be used for long distance. The third one is a hair thin. This can guide light for few kilometers. The fourth fiber, the yellow color which I have shown here, is an optical fiber which is jacketed. The color of the jacket is yellow, which signifies it is a single mode fiber. Single mode fiber we will learn in the coming videos. Another jacketed fiber shown here is a multimode fiber. Do you know how does the fiber look like? It is having a thin core. The core is made up of glass or plastic. The core is surrounded by a cladding. The core cladding forms a flexible structure which carries light for a very long distance. The one I have shown in green color is a typical glass fiber which is illuminated by a green laser. The other one is a plastic fiber which is illuminated by white light. As I said earlier, here you can see the fiber with the inner core, outer cladding and a buffer coating. The core is a solid dielectric cylinder having higher refractive index than cladding. The core is surrounded by a dielectric having refractive index less than the core, which is called cladding. Cladding provides mechanical strength to the fiber. Buffer coating gives additional strength to the fibers. It isolates or buffers the fibers from small geometrical irregularities or roughness of adjacent surfaces. Well, now if you see the applications of optical fibers, normally in our day-to-day life we would have seen it as a television cable. As well as for the purpose of internet connections we use fiber optic cable. Here you can see an application with optical fiber in the medical field. So in endoscopy, some optical fibers are given inside the body to view the image inside the human. This we call it as endoscopy. Next is laparoscopy. That is, optical fibers are even used in surgery when a laser beam is given inside the fiber. This is known as minimum invasive surgery. What we have to do in this is first we put a small hole in the human body. Then secondly sleep on that fiber. And third is put the laser light. And the fourth step is to image the body. And the fifth step is to do the surgery. This kind of surgery is known as laparoscopy. You can see here the very important optical fiber in the field of telecommunication. So in the telecommunication field, we use optical fibers. So we start communicating from telephone to smartphones. In smartphones, you can do anything. In 1981, we used the 1G internet. In that, one can browse only using the internet facility. But now, we are in 5G. Similarly, on those days, the computers are large, but now it is handheld. We used to see televisions in a big CRT, but now we see them hanging in walls. Now we can watch movies in tablets and mobile phones, all are due to fiber optics. Today we are connected globally. Social medias, emails, internets, etc. These are due to optical fibers. For example, if you message through WhatsApp, here also we use optical fibers. Do you wonder how it happens? If you want to send a message to a mobile in New York, how does it happen? So these all are due to the use of optical fibers. See here, the local tower is connected to another tower which is again connected to a optical fiber carrier core network to Delhi, Mumbai and New York. So here you can see the local cell tower is connected to another tower using a microwave link. This microwave link has a speed of 100 megabits per second. With 100 megabits per second, the information is passed through fiber to Delhi and then to Mumbai and then to New York through optical fibers. You may think how it is possible to send to New York, but it is possible as we use submarine cables for this purpose. So, in this you can see the submarine cables connecting the whole world. Hence, the information can be passed to New York or even in any other part of the world. Next, I would like to give the applications of optical fiber in various fields. Earlier, I have mentioned few applications. Here I have listed few more applications of optical fibers. That is, it's used in telecommunication field, in space applications, broadband applications, computer applications, industrial applications, in medical applications, in military applications, etc. Well, I think this video is useful to you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.